In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix disabled chat in chess.com. If you're unable to send or receive messages while using chess.com, there's a good chance that your chat settings have been turned off or restricted. Fortunately, this is usually a simple issue to resolve through your account settings. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to check your communication preferences and make sure that both direct messages and game chat are enabled properly. To begin, open chess.com and sign into your account if you haven't already done so. Once you're on the main screen, direct your attention to the lower left corner of the page. There, you'll find a gear-shaped icon that provides access to your account settings. Click on this icon to continue. After the Settings menu appears, look for the option labeled All Settings and select it. This will open the Complete Settings page, where you can manage various aspects of your chess.com experience, including privacy controls, gameplay preferences, notifications, and social features. Once you're on the Settings page, locate and click the Social section. This area contains the settings that control how other players can interact with you on the platform. It also includes options related to messaging and communication during games. Next, scroll down through the available options until you find the settings related to game chat and direct messages. These controls determine whether you can communicate with other users while playing and whether other members can send you messages. When you find the setting for sending and receiving direct messages, open the available options and make sure the feature is turned on. Then, adjust the visibility setting so that it allows communication from everyone. This ensures that your messaging feature is fully enabled and available for use. After that, locate the game chat setting and apply the same adjustment. Make sure game chat is enabled and configured appropriately so that you can participate in conversations during your matches. This setting allows you to communicate with opponents while playing, provided that chat is permitted within the game. Once you've reviewed and updated these settings, be sure to save your changes. Saving ensures that your new preferences are applied to your account immediately. And that's all there is to it. By enabling direct messages and game chat through your social settings, you can restore communication features and interact with other players more effectively on chess.com. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.